We're doing it. We're almost to the base of Aasgard Pass. And we're gonna take a quick lunch, and hopefully there's more light so we can do some more filming. Welcome back to another beautiful episode of Unjarred Outdoors. I got my man Juan with me, and we got Colchuck Lake right behind us, and we got Dragontail Peak just hovering above us. We're gonna tackle the Enchantment Traverse in a single day. So stick with us, and I can't wait to be at the top of Aasgard Pass and show you what's up there. I don't know if you can see that. That's our first goat encounter. Little baby one. Kind of looks like my hiking partner. We're just below Aasgard Pass, and we're going to the left, and we're not going to the right towards the waterfall. Stay away from the waterfall. Hey Frank. Frank, can you smile for my son, Frank? No, he's shy. Hey baby Frank. Baby Frank. Ah, you boys have a good day. Woo! This just takes it out of ya, man. Just burns ya. We're scratching at the surface of Aasgard Pass. I mean, it's literally right here. Let's just keep going. Update you at the top, because this place is just going to be magical. Got it right, buddy?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Well, we officially made it to the top of the pass, and we are not exhausted, but it was a killer.
We're good there.
We're getting it. This place is just absolutely killer. What's going on, guys?
How's it going? You're not exhausted? You sure?
Nah, a little bit. It's you know, it's for show.
All for the camera.
All for the camera. It's two great guys. You guys don't mind being in the camera, right?
Cut that out.
All right, we'll keep going.
Oh, wow.
Just a quick update to where we are. We're in the lakelets area. You got beaches here. No one's at them. Full-on sandy beaches. We have the glorious Crystal Lake right behind us, and it is just stunning. And the views behind it, even better. The smoke is coming in, but you know, I think we hit it right today. We hit it right. Juan and I just entered the Snow Lakes Trail off our original path, and we just get blessed with this gorgeous lake. Looks like we got the outflow of Perfection Lake and the Sprite Lake. Now, if you're wondering, folks, where Sprite comes from, it's right here. So right now, Juan and I are losing an incredible amount of elevation, dropping into Snow Lakes from Vivian. So be ready with them knees. This is Snow Lake, everybody, and we made it. This is where the fun begins, because we have to go to the other side of that and get back to the parking lot. This has the most mileage, so let the fun begin right after we have some lunch. Who knows what's going to happen next? Maybe we'll get some more views, maybe we won't. But right now, the Enchantment Traverse is a must-do in a single day. I highly recommend it. Well, it's time to say goodbye to Dixie Lake. I'll tell you what, Dixie was my second favorite out of the whole trip. It's absolutely must-see. We're gonna be pretty much just doing a downhill forest walk, so we'll update you at the trailhead, our final time. Can't wait to see you at the next trailhead. Well, a short review for today's hike. We did 12 hours, 10 minutes, and it was absolutely amazing. Spectacular Lake and Dixie Lake are among my top two favorite. Would I come back and do this again? Absolutely. Aasgard Pass, don't underestimate it. I definitely give it a 10 out of 10. Yeah, so it's off to do the next one, and I'm pretty excited about that. So we'll see you at the next hike.